Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover data with Acronis easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Acronis True Image on your computer. On the main dashboard, locate and click on the Backup tab. Select the backup you want to restore from the list of available backups. Click on the Recover button found next to the selected backup. You will see options for the type of recovery. Choose Entire Disk if you want to recover everything. If you want to recover specific files or folders, select Files and Folders. Follow the prompts to specify the files or folders you wish to recover. Select the destination where you want to restore the data. If you're restoring to the original location, choose the corresponding option. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the OK or Recover button to initiate the recovery process. Acronis will begin restoring your data. This may take some time, depending on the size of the backup. Once the recovery is complete, you'll receive a notification. Check the restored files or folders to ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues, consult the Acronis help resources for troubleshooting tips. Now you have successfully recovered your data using Acronis True Image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.